Hi everyone, my name is Rob from JLL Fitness. We're just going to do a quick video on your questions on treadmills.
So Rob,
Yes.
can I use a treadmill to lose weight?
Of course you can. Well, I'd say the first thing you've got to think about is your calories and your calorie deficit. So think about you've got 3,500 calories to burn to get to a pound of fat. Now let's come into these two factors. So you've got LISS and HIIT. LISS is going to be low intensity, steady state, followed by your HIIT, which is the complete opposite, which is high. So let's start with LISS to begin with. So you want to make sure that you're going at a nice comfortable pace. So for example, on your treadmill, you could even go on an incline if you like, or flat, and you're just going to be doing like a nice brisk walk. So this can start from, if you're not ready, about 10 to 20 minutes at first. I'd say if it gets easier, get to half an hour. And let's say if you want to push it, you can push it to an hour. At least, when it comes to stuff like this, you can, distract your mind by having like your phone on, maybe a tablet. You can go through Love Island possibly if you wanted to watch that. If not, you can change it up and watch Stranger Things free instead. The choice is yours. Whereas with HIIT, I say it's straight to the point, it's quick, it's fast as well, and it also burns calories. So with this, you might want to make sure that you're putting it into shorter breaks. So you're not going to be doing 10 minutes of sprinting, you're going to do short bursts, so maybe 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. Once you get comfortable and better with that type of work, that's the best way to describe it, at least then you can cut down your rest time, so you're making it harder and harder each time. That would be the best way to lose weight on your treadmill. So after a long walk or run, you're going to make sure that you're going to recover, so make sure you get yourself a foam roller. I say all these items can be found on jlfitness.co.uk. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.